Dear fellow business owners, how do you know if you got the perfect bookkeeper for your small business? From my experience, I found accounting function to be very lacking at many small businesses. Many CEOs, the owners I meet with, tell them about their world-class product, but almost none are building a world-class company. To build a world-class company, you need to have the right people working for you. My name is Jayanti Ganapati. I'm the owner of FinAccurate. We are an accounting firm based in Boston, Massachusetts. Now, if the answer to any of the following questions is below your expectation, then you do not have the perfect bookkeeper working for your business. Here it goes. Does your bookkeeper present to you ideas that will make you more money, solutions to create more peace of mind, offer you true CFO level experience available to you when you need them? Does your bookkeeper charge you for every hour they work, for every call they make to you? Does your bookkeeper really understand your business? Does your bookkeeper have your entire company organized digitally so it's ready for your auditors, lenders, bankers, investors anytime or all the time that they need it? Is your bookkeeper concerned with improving your ROI and margin? Are they just giving you financial printout from your accounting software and nothing else? If you answered no to most of the above questions, then it's time for you to change your bookkeeper. Now, here are the 4 key indicators we use to measure the success of our engagement with our small business clients. Number 1, increase revenue. Number 2, increase gross profits. Number 3, increase net profits. Number 4, increase your net worth. And here is how we do it. You will get a 6-month rolling cash forecast that is reliable so you can maximize cash. We increase the profitability of your business by helping minimizing your taxes through tax planning, by providing useful cash flow forecasting tools, analytics, dashboards, and budgeting tools. We give you good financials, dashboards, metrics, and forward-looking cash forecasts to facilitate key management decisions. Your financials are always ready by the 15th of the following month, and all your tax and financials can be retrieved instantaneously at any time. We do tax planning, budgeting, reporting for your lenders, investors, auditors, so we reduce your stress as well as increase your net worth. You will get highest valuation for your business as your records, accounting system, compliance will be 100% in order. We work as a proactive partner to our small business clients. We price our services based on the value that we provide and not by the hour and not by the calls that we make with our small business clients. Does this sound like something you need for your business? If yes, please click on the link below to schedule a free consultation call with me, and I will see you inside.